Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to safely enter your computer, how to access and replace your battery. So let's get right into it. Before we start, make sure your computer is powered down and unplugged from your charger. You want to start by removing all of the screws in the bottom case. As a quick computer repair side note, guys, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as any replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model computer, I will have a link above, also below in the description, and it will be that. It will be a list of all the tools and supplies you could use here, as well as all those replacement and upgrade parts. After the screws have been removed, you're going to take a small flat metal pry tool. You're going to insert that tool in the seam of the bottom case in the computer and gently pry it off from the rest of the computer. Now this model was kind of firm. It was very well attached. You had to go kind of slow but firm around the entire computer, but you will be able to get it off. After opening your computer, this is what you're looking at for the inside. Here's your battery. This Samsung battery is 7.6 volts, 33 watt hour, and the model number, as you can see, is AAPBUN2TP. I will have all that battery information below in the description if you want it for reference. I will also try to have a battery replacement option for you in that list I told you about, with all of the tools, supplies, and replacement parts for this model computer. Now the battery is held down by 4 screws and plugs into the motherboard here. Now the battery plug, to unplug it from the motherboard, you just pull directly up and off of the motherboard, and the battery plug will snap right off. If you're here because your computer is not turning on, your battery could be bad, you may need to replace it, but keep in mind that there are quite a few other reasons why a computer won't turn on other than just a bad battery. If you would like help troubleshooting why your computer is not turning on, I will have a video tutorial link above, also below in the description, and it will take you through the troubleshooting process I use in my shop to find out why a computer is not turning on and how to fix it. So that's the end of the video. I hope it was helpful. Please remember to like and share if it was helpful, if you think it can help someone else. And please subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer repair tutorials like this one. Below in the description, I do try to keep the FAQs updated regularly. So if you have a question, check that first. It may save you some time. But if you do need to leave me a question or comment, please feel free. I try to get to those at least a couple times a day. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.